Hello friends, welcome to GCA. I hope you all are fine and doing wonders. So as you all are aware that the SSBs are rescheduled from 6th of July, and for that the fresh call-up letters were issued 2 weeks ago for the pending entries like TGC entry, 10+2 technical entry and the NDA entry. And in the fresh call-up letter, there were newly updated instructions following the COVID-19. The instruction contained various points like one should carry a face mask, face shield, hand sanitizers. Similarly, there should be a Arogya Setu app in their mobile phone and they have to take the screenshot before proceeding for the SSB. However, the major point in the instruction was to carry an ICMR approved COVID-19 certificate for the SSB. And it created a lot of confusion among the candidates that how it is possible to get a ICMR approved negative certificate which should be just 2 days older before the reporting date, as it is very difficult to get an ICMR approved certificate, and for testing and reporting and final result it takes 2 weeks and it is costly also. And the main thing is ICMR provide certificate only to the persons with the symptoms, that is they do not carry out testing of everyone. So that is the major doubt, that how it is possible to get a certificate that should be just 2 days old. So now Army has given a new hint regarding the ICMR approved certificate. Let us see. So as the candidates were forwarding lot of queries regarding the ICMR certificate, so 3 days ago Army came up with the new information regarding the ICMR approved certificate. So when you go on the official website joinindianarmy.nic.in, and on the notification corner, the very first notification that all candidates reporting for SSB with effect from 6 July 2020 are requested to carry a COVID-19 negative asymptomatic certificate before reporting to the selection center, and a format of the certificate is also uploaded on the website. Validity of the certificate is 48 hours. So from here it is clear that they have not mentioned an ICMR word anywhere, and they have provided a format of their own also. So it is very clear that now we can get the testing done from the local registered medical practitioner also and carry that certificate to the SSB. Now let us see the new format they have provided. So this is the official format of the COVID-19 certificate uploaded by the Army, and here it is mentioned that I, Dr. is a registered medical practitioner holding a medical license registration number dash, have examined Mr. or Miss dash, the son of Shri dash, on date this one, and have found dash free from the following disease, that is the coronavirus disease, currently asymptomatic, and the dated this signature Dr. Registered medical practitioner, clinic, tehsil, state pin. So here it is very clear from this format that now we are not required to carry an ICMR approved certificate. We can just get our testing done from the local registered medical practitioner and carry that certificate to the SSB. So this is a good news for the candidates. So as it created a lot of doubt among the candidates that day new call-up letter was issued. Now let me clear your doubt more from the news from the Economic Times few days ago. So this is a news from the Economic Times few days ago, and on the right corner you can read the clarification. ICMR says there is a nothing called COVID-19 negative report, and a normal person is not required to go for testing. For symptomatic travelers, state health authorities collect swab samples and send them to lab, and these labs are not authorized to issue any certificate to individuals. So this further clears a doubt that now it is not important, or we can say compulsory, to carry an ICMR approved certificate, and also Army have uploaded a format of their own. Now we can carry the certificate signed from the local medical practitioner, as I already said. And one more thing, I have also contacted the retired Army officers, the previous SSB assessors, regarding this, that it is compulsory to carry a certificate by sending all this data. So they told that the certificate from the local medical practitioner should be fine. However, the candidates should cross check with the SSB by contacting them through phone or through mail, that sir, whether it is important to carry an ICR approved certificate or the certificate from the local should be fine. So it is your responsibility to cross check with the SSB. However, I feel that now it is not required. So friends, this is the end of the video, and this was the latest information which I thought of sharing with you. And I've also made a video regarding all the instructions following the COVID-19. If you have not seen that video, the link is available in the I button. And if you feel that my videos are worth, then you can support me by sharing these videos with your friends so they can also get benefit from these videos. So thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you and best of luck for your SSB. Jai Hind.